how to increase brightness of your photo using your mobile phone. You are listening right. As you can check out, today we're gonna talk about that how you can increase the brightness of photos using your mobile phone, because many times we take photos and we found that they are a little bit of darker on side. So we want to post on social media or we want to add a status, then we want that there should be a brightness on that photo. So how you can change? As you can check out, this is the brighter photo and this is the darker photo. You can check out the difference. So today we're gonna let you know. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now was the video. We are going to entering into our mobile phone. Yes, you are listening right. Let's check out. First of all, we are going to the gallery and choosing the photo we want to brighter. Now after that you have to choose a pencil icon or edit icon option. You will find on your photo uh, under or upper side. It changes and depends on the mobile phone. I'm using Xiaomi 14CV. Now click on this pencil icon, and if you have a auto option over here, whenever you click on, you will see the magic. Woo! You can check it out. And now click on adjust option. If you want to further lighten the photo, you can choose this lighten option, or if you want to increase the brightness, you can choose this brightness option, and it's increased a lot. You can check out this one. Wow, wow. So that's the way how you can easily increase the brightness. Press this right icon, and after that save this photo. That's the way how you can easily increase the brightness of photos. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Bye bye for now.